Let me tell you about Mazda boys. We the Mazda boys, boy. Vape life. Look, there's no clouds, man. We need to fix that, dude. Asheville Vapor, Blue Ridge Vapor, shout outs. You have to start a new video. He's not gonna want this in his video.
He can just edit this out.
He doesn't want to edit video, just take another video.
No, fuck no. He has to see this.
Alright, well, we've got video evidence that I requested you to make a new video, so it's
yeah, fuck off. I didn't hear it.
Oh shit, is that a Mazda?
I want him to get pulled over on camera. Are there 10 in here?